Hello, this is Elindier Geek and I'm going to show you how to install fonts from the internet to your computer. So first, let's go to thefont.com. Well, it is where you can download different kinds of font. There are fancy, foreign look, techno, bitmap, gothic, basic, script, dingbats, and holiday fonts. Well, let's go to cartoon under fancy, and let's look for a font which we can download. Well, let's try this cherry font. Let's click this download link and select save file and click OK. Okay, so the download is done, so clear the list and close this. So let's extract the file first. So click extract to and select desktop and click OK. But before anything else, you can also extract the files in different destination, but for now I prefer desktop, so let's proceed. So click OK, and these are the files we've downloaded. We have two files, Cherry and Cherryliney. So anyway, well, there are two ways of installing fonts, one for Vista and one for Windows XP. First, let's do the installation for Windows Vista. The way of installing fonts for Vista is, well, right click the font file and click install, and the font is now installed. So let's check. So go to computer and click local DC and go to Windows and go to fonts. Let's look for Cherryliney. So there, we already installed a Cherryliney font. So anyway, the installation of fonts for Windows XP is, well, dragging the font from your desktop or from the destination folder you extracted the files to the fonts folder. So there, just drag it there, and the font will be installed on your computer. So there, Cherry. So we already installed both. Well, I guess that's it, and well, thank you for watching, and well, if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel, which is Elindier Geek, and don't forget also to visit my site, which is elindier.co.nr, to receive the latest news about myself and about the Elindier Geek YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, and good luck and Merry Christmas to all of you. Thank you.